Hello, hello, hello. So today I'll see whether we got any trade for today. So yeah. Uh, Last week we got news which is not a news. I mean, yeah, we got the election. So the price is just for the EU and GU, it's just good for downtrend as well because the Trump is winning. So weekly, basically, it just closed bearish on it. So what I expected for this week, and I would say I still expected a downtrend happening, but we're gonna know that yeah, the price have for EU price have already broken below this low, which is our low, our high, low, and breaking this low. So what I expected to do is that I wanna see once again this one is the opening. I wanna see if okay, right? I wanna see London accumulate to the upside first. But yeah, let's see how London opening. Basically we saw Asian consolidate and then down to the downside and what we saw. Basically it just on this range lah from Saturday and also Monday opening in the range and suddenly the price down to the downside when this opening. And right now we can just wait for a price to come back up to see what happened first. All right. I'm not gonna, you know, participate inside this level. It's good to see the price move once again to this order block, daily order block right there, and in this range, right? So we're gonna look at it. Maybe today is not a trading day. I don't know. I just wanna see whether we got any opportunity. But currently, if I wanna sell, I would say EU and GO also good for sell. It's good for sell. Two currency pair. So and so is bearish as well. Close bearish as well is kind of like good for sell as well. But we got this FVG still holding on it. We're gonna make sure that our take profit is between this range, right? If I want to sell this shit, right? So basically, I would say EU is more bearish than GU lah. If I have the opportunity for sell in EU, I'll just sell in EU, right? And we saw that basically the GBP it just go lower and lower, but it just you know it doesn't have a big huge lower movement like EU, you move higher, you see how it is displays to the downside and then rebalance on this imbalance and go to the downside as well. So it's currently like, GU is more bearish, I would say. EU is more bearish, I would say. GU is okay with that. But once again, we saw that basically Asian basically like go to the upside and then down to the downside. We have this order block, 1 hour order block is respected. 1 hour order block is respected right there. Go to upside first and then down to the downside. Break below this low as well. Basically, I do want to see some up close candle form first. so that I can take a shot. You know, it's good to take a shot if you have any up close for this order block as well. We can use this, we can use this as well. Draw it out, we can wait for that reaction on that level right there. But overall, the direction is still bearish on it. I would say still bearish on it. The price can just move to take this low, this liquidity down there, and the 1 hour liquidity, this down there, just move to that low. It can be take that low out if it want to. And GU, I would say, is still bearish on it. It can take this low, daily low, and continuation down for this order block as well. See this order block right there. It can be continuation down for that order block. And looking at it, the price Asian session is just ranging on it. And we got an order block, 1 hour order block right there, basically. I'll say if they have an opportunity, I'll get an entry, but I'll say the full of this pair, I didn't see, I didn't have expectation to take a trade right there, basically. We got a market shift to the downside. We are currently waiting for a rebalance in the fair value gap or some shit like that, Uh, this this breaker as well. You can looking at this level right there. Wait for a reaction on this level. Alright, 50%. If it just respect this 50% should be good looking shot. But I do want to see a respection and displace. Change in state of delivery should be good. We do have a SMT, I think so. Wait, I don't like this basically. Alright, should be good. Alright. So I would say I anticipate this price to move to this low liquidity taken out this low right there for EU, but in GU no, I don't. I have the target for daily, so it can be take this low as well, tap inside this order block as well, and draw this order block right there up, so that we knew that, right? And take the low daily low as well, you know. Can we do that? But once again, I want to see some reaction on that level first, then I can take a shot, you know. Do we have any SMT? I would say this high is not higher than this one. Right now, I would say no first. No SMT first. Right. So let's see the goal, right? Goal, let's see. Long time, no, not analyzing the goal already. Let's see the goal. Weekly, oh my god, still pumping up. But it do have a doji candle form rejection on this, the highest point, 2.8 something, 2.7 something. Haven't tapped into a 2.800, still in the range. It's such a retracement, I think. It's such a retracement. It can be tapped into this or the block, this one, this order block, it can be tapped inside first and then go higher, or this order block as well can be go that. But right now, currently is a short-term retracement. We can trade that. Kind of looking at that for retracement as well. So we got, what time is it? 8:04. Yeah. So we got that get to the upside and then we, oh my god, I saw that. See this order block being respected. See that? See see the opening of that. See how this order block being respected. Right there. We can mark this up basically. This order block candle. Draw it up. See how the price respect on it. And once again get to the lower point, retrace to the upside with this order block, tap into it, and rejection right now. So basically we can wait for a price to come back up to this order block as well if okay. So right now the price is just ranging on it, and it do have a down to downside and ranging on it. We can anticipate the price to take this liquidity first, right? This high first, you know, but not Asian high. I don't want to see the price to take Asian high. If yes, then I just cancel. I just switch my buyers, you know. So this one, liquidity. I do want to see if the price take this liquidity. I want to see a price to respect that, you know, 15-minute order block, respect, take the liquidity and respect to the downside. That is the things that I want to see. But the things that I don't want to see is that I don't want to see a price to take the Asian high right there. This one Asian high, I don't want to see a price to take. Asian high, I don't want to see the price to take above the high. And the daily, I still looking for short, you know, because weekly rejection with doji and this rejection as well, we can anticipate the price to comes back down, retrace to 50% of the fib level and retrace to the demand zone first before pumping up. So we can take a short-term sell. I would say we can take a short-term sell, but once again, we are waiting for the price to comes back up, swap the liquidity and go to downside. And I can mark up the zone that we're looking at. Basically, we can just anticipate the price move to this 50-minute order block or the 30-minute order block right there, right? You mark it up first. If the price is not gonna tap inside the 50-minute, I would say 30-minute we still have an order block. But once again, the important thing is I want to see a price to swap above the liquidity, the swing high swept, and then get to the downside, right? It can be this liquidity taken out, or we can anticipate the price to move to this 1 hour order block as well. This order block right there, we can draw it out right there, or we can aim for the wick down on it, this one wick down on it, which is our liquidity, right? We can aim for that as well. But in the buyers, I still looking for short in gold. All right, in gold, I still looking for short. GU, we are waiting for, currently waiting for the reaction on this area. If the price is not gonna tap inside this area, I would say it is what it is. I don't want to do anything about this, but if it does comes back up to this level, I would say we're gonna see how to react on it. 1.29008 basically is right there. EU, I don't have any trade for that basically right now because it just down The downside, I don't have any chance for entry, and I'll wait for a retracement basically, but not today, I think. For gold, still waiting for that reaction above this high and down to the downside. That is the things that I want to see. GU, it can be go to downside without retracing. It is what it is. It's good for that, which means that is bearish, too bearish on it, you know. But once again, I want to see gold right now tap into that level. I want to see a gold tap into the level right there. Rejection should be good. 50-minute order block right there. And yeah, wait, just wait for that basically. If GBP can just tap up to that level, I'll get interest on it, but not gonna do anything first, you know. GBP Asian high, I don't think it's gonna be take out the Asian high, but it's already taken the Asian low out. Asian low already being taken out right there. So yeah, it's so freaking bearish on it based on the chart. I would say it's so freaking bearish. Just wait for that. If today is doesn't have a chance, I'm not gonna chase anything for this basically. Just wait and wait. We can just Oh yeah, we gonna just wait, bro. We just aim for this low ticker now. It's good for that. Not low, I mean this auto block being tapped inside, as well as this value gap being invert and tap into this level right there. Should be good, I would say. But still wait for that basically. Rejection on this value gap daily. See this daily, tap into the value gap, reject, weekly rejection as well into this all block right there. Right now we can just anticipate this, move to low right there as well. Other block right there. It's good to see a sell right there basically. I see what. Oh, god damn, bro. Yep. I do want to see the level being tapped in, but just patient on it, just wait. What? Oh yeah, let's wait for that. Oh my god. Asian high, same shit. I'm not interested on Asian high being taken out. I want to see this respect and go down. Can be tapped into this low. Just can aim for this low, 1 hour low, or we can aim for this low as well. But this low is good to aim for. Yep. We are waiting for the up close coming in should be good. How many pips for that? Basically, is 72 pips. This one I'm gonna open the EU. I wanna see some SMT form basically. This low, this high, this low, this high. This order block is forming basically. It's good to see that. Do we have any SMT basically? Let's see the 1 minute SMT. I'll say no. We don't have any SMT yet. 418 right there. 418 is right this. If I want to sell this, I should see the 50-minute close bearish should be good to aim for the 1 hour low taken out. Once again, we're gonna wait for 50-minute close bearish should be good because we don't have an SMT right now. But it's good. The market structure is good. Give me the term high right there. Short term high right there. See, oh my god. But I'm gonna wait for the 50-minute close first so that we can basically just aim for the 1 hour low taken out, which is this low. Can aim for this low taken out as well. Stop loss, tight stop loss on it. It can take this low up basically. Let's see. the price form and the order block right there basically. It doesn't willing, it doesn't willing to take the Asian high out, Asian high above this high right there. Let's go to the lower point. We just wait for retracement. If the price is not gonna retrace, it's just continuation down. I'll say I'll wait for the price to comes back up. This at least this on the block, on this on the block, and we take a sell right there. Should be good. 15-minute close bearish should be good, which is we're gonna wait for 45, 445 before close bearish. I want to see a bearish reaction. Close bearish should be good. All right. Um, GBP right now is tapping into that. All right. We saw a pumping up right now. Let's see we got any SMT. If this respected this order block, I would say we got an SMT. All right, we got an SMT basically right there, 430 to this basically right there, 430 to this one, this opening right there. We got an SMT right there. If this respect right, so we got an SMT right there as well. We got SMT. This one taken the high, this one is not taken the high. EU is more bearish basically. EU taking this low right there that I mark it up right there, which is this low right. Yeah, 1 hour low basically is 1 hour low right there. Taken out right now, it just hit back up once again. Just wanna retrace on the high. We don't have SMT, no more SMT. It's good to sell for this one EU basically. Oh, it do tap inside this order block right now. 15-minute order block. This one, no order block. If it does have a retracement, we can looking for short basically. What this high is about. This one is, what high is it? Oh shit. This high is the 415, 415, 410. 410 is this one, basically. 410, 412, 412, 412, right there, right there. You got an SMT, basically, right there. 412, making an more SMT, basically. 418, 18, 18. Yep, this one, 16. Yeah, right there. It's making a small SMT, basically. This one is more bearish, I would say. If looking at this, it taken the 1 hour equal low, 1 hour equal low being taken out. Tap into the 50-minute order block. Tap into the 5-minute order block right there, right this level. If this one 5-minute order block close bearish, I would say I was looking for short for EU to aim for this low taken out. Should be good. Alright, wait for that. Wait for that. Wait for 5-minute close. If not, then I just want to wait for an opportunity. This one is our 5-minute order block, basically. 5-minute order block, right side, right there. Aim for this low, or yeah, can aim for this low. Break even on this level. We trade the continuation in Asian, basically. Asian continuation. But we're gonna wait for a 5-minute close, basically. 5-minute close bearish should be good. Yep, yep. Come on. But we're gonna know that we got a 15-minute rejection. We're gonna see how this looks, basically. With the candle open, wait for candle open for 5 minutes. If the candle open with no bottom wick, should be good to the upside and move down. We trade the continuation down. I'll say yes, we trade the continuation down. For EU, trade the continuation down for EU. But if it doesn't, oh my god, 15 minute doesn't respect that. It it's still in the zone. I would say it's still in the zone, basically. But the opening is not good. It's not the things they are looking at. It's fine, it's fine. We're gonna know that, and we're gonna see what next, right? What next? So wait for the next action. It do take the low basically. Take the 1 hour low. 1 hour low right there. Take the 1 hour low. Alright, this one is crossing the level. Let's see. Alright, bottom weight form. Nice no bottom weight for that. Close barrier should be good. I would say close barrier should be good. Price taken out this liquidity can be just comes back up to this on block basically. 5 minute on block and 30 minute, right? One hour. Is it 30 minute? Yeah, 30 minute. Wait for that reaction on this level. This one haven't been taken out yet, basically. 412. Right there, basically. 412. See how this taken out this one haven't taken out yet. But we saw a 50-minute rejection as well. Saw 50-minute rejection. Oh my god, I think it's gonna be taken out this high taken out should be good, I would say. Tap into the level. This one is tap into the level. Oh my god, this rejection is wow, bro. But opening with no bottom wick, this one. 50-minute opening with no bottom wick. Seems like just tap into it and rejection. Let's see EU. Alright. You got an SMT basically right there. Alright, rejection. I wanna see whether alright, this let's see. Wait first. This auto block. If this auto block close bearish should be good. Close below this auto block should be good. You can take a shot right there. Yep, this auto block right. SMT we got SMT right there basically. We got SMT right there. Tap into the level, this one as well. But it does break above the high. But right now we're still looking for shot. I wanna see this one basically is a retracement and then go to a downside. But we don't know how much this retracement gonna be. So yeah, done for that basically this one. We don't know how this retracement gonna be basically. Draw this shape out here first. What's the time? 403, 403 basically this 403, 403 this to this high right there. 403 this to this low right there. He still got an SMT basically. Still in the SMT. Still have the SMT right there. Alright. 50-minute almost. Wait for the close barrier should be good. And we gonna see the price to change in state of delivery right there. I'm looking for short. No bottom wick is nice. This one no bottom wick is nice. No bottom wick nice. This one as well. Wait for a 50-minute close bearish break below this low. I was looking for short. Looking for short. Take this low out right there, or this low right there. Once again, you're gonna manage to breeze. Got a 70 right there. Right? Alright, good. Good pushing momentum. Alright, nice. Still got 8 minute left for that close. Right, SMT, we got a down close basically is nice. This down close is nice basically. Haven't closed yet. Oh my god. Unfortunately, haven't closed yet. But if it does close below, should be good for that 50-minute. Close barrier should be good. And my stop's just above this high basically. If I want to sell right, I just want to sell right there. Stops above the 50-minute high, this high right there, above this FVG high right there. And then just aim for the slow taken out. One is to, oh my god, it's not good though. Stops can be adjusted basically above this high. What's the one risk to reward? Trade the continuation to the down move, continuation, down move. Wait for close first basically. As long as it's close below, I will take a trade. I will take a trade. Alright, alright, alright. I will take the trade right there. 50-minute, I would say it's good to close bearish, I would say. Still, oh my god, I have close yet, basically. I'm close yet. I'm close yet. 50-minute. Oh my god, it's good. It's good to see this. Alright, I'll take the trade right there, basically. I'll sell this. I'm gonna wait for the price to comes back up. I'll take a trade right there, limit order. Sell right there, stops above this high. Just above this high. Right, and I will take profit just below this. Equal low taken out, I'll raise 1%. Alright. 50-minute good for that. I'll say good for that. 5-minute is good for that, I'll say. Yes, nice. I'll place an order right there. I'll place an order, wait for the tap. Right? 1:1 risk to reward. Stops above this high. Aim for this low taken out, basically. Just aim for the low. As a high risk entry, I would say I trade the continuation. Continuation is basically the risk to reward is not too attractive on it, basically. I'll say the risk to reward is not too attractive. I just aim for the low taken out, which is this equal low. I'll aim for that equal low taken out, but once again, we are waiting for a retracement to this level first. Tag me in and go to lower point right there, right? So 5 minute opening, 50 minute haven't opened yet, basically. I want to see a 50 minute opening, like no bottom, no no bottom wick go up and then go down like that. Stop I just place above this high instead of place above this family gap because I just aim for this low, so the risk to reward should be more good if I just aim for the low. All right, come on, tag me in my entry right there. If the price it doesn't tag me in and go to the TP level, I will just close the trade. It's good. It's a good trade basically. If the price it doesn't tag me in and just go to my TP level, it's a good trade. It's a freaking good trade. We call the direction. Call the direction basically. We are waiting for the tag. 50 minute I would say is good to see a close bearish. Is 70% to 80% confirm that it's going to be close bearish and just execute on it. For that being said, I just gonna wait for the retracement, retrace to that level. I'm looking for short. That's all for that. Just aim for low taken out. That's all for that basically. Because the price it doesn't willing to take the Asian high up, but it's good to see the price to take this low, the low that is from right there. It's good to see the price of take this low. Have a chance to that take the low right there. So I execute on it. I just want to wait for a price comes back down and take the low right there. All right, 50 minute almost close. I think we have a 90% chance being tagged in. 1 minute left for for the 5 p.m. opening. Yeah, currently just wait for the basically 50 minute have a 90% right now. They have a 90% chance to close bearish, I would say, so that we can aim for a shot right there, basically. All right, we just wait for that. Haven't been tagged in yet. Just left a few pips more to tag me in. Just chill on it. All right. I don't know. Sometimes this trading wheel execution cannot be tagged in. I don't know what happens basically. Sometimes, yeah. I got tagged in right there. We basically saw that it's good to see this opening because we got a no bottom wick form. It's good to see this opening. I want to see a power of three, which means that I want to see some up close and then go to downside and basically form a wick right there. form a wick right there and go to the downside. Just trade the continuation down. If the price is not willing to take this low, I would say I will close all in this bottom on it. We are in drawdown. It's a high risk entry, this one, basically. It's a high risk entry, I would say. High risk entry right there. But, we're gonna take the risk because everything is have a risk right there. We're gonna take the risk. We have the opportunity, we're gonna take the risk. That's how we, as a trader, that's how we did these things. So we kind of like still wait for that. Let's see a 50-minute. Oh my god. I want to see a flip down. Should be good. This one is my break-even point, basically. I would say, wait, this one right there is my break-even. All right, this one, change the color to red color. All right, that one is my break-even. Wait for a break-even, not break-even. I would say, risk reduction, not break-even. This one is not good for break-even. You have the chance to go back up first. So I'm gonna reduce the risk, this level right there. Some of the risk reduce. We are currently just wait for the reaction, basically. Yeah. The reason why I execute for the continuation is because I saw that the price is likely to go to the downside rather than go out to take the Asian high out. So I take the shot right there. If it is a stop loss, I would say it is what it is. It's good to see how we manage the risk and how we take the risk, basically. And we saw EU have an SMT, and yeah, this one create a higher high and our EU is create a lower low right there. I take the trade right there as well. And we have a 15-minute rejection, change in state of delivery, take the continuation. That's all for that. Everything can happen in this trade. Just don't put I would say don't put a high expectation on a trade, because if you put high expectation on a trade, if the trade is not playing well, will be more emotion. It's more emotion. If you're not putting high expectation on that, if it's stop loss, it is what it is. You don't care about it. Just wait for that, basically. Just aim for, basically, it's just 1 hour low, is it? Yeah, 1 hour wick low, basically. This low. I want to see this candle flip down to this level. All right. I'll manage the risk when the price close below this. Manage some risk on it. I'll move some stops first. All right. Move some stops to that level. Before close. Honestly, I still in the paper trading, but the thing is, I still have the emotion in paper trading. I don't know why, but yeah, that is good for me basically. So basically, I just want to journal. I open this channel is for me to journal all the trades that I've taken and have a discipline for that, basically. Have a discipline for that. So that I'm not taking any downward trade. I just follow the plan. So we're gonna wait for that. Basically, wait for close below. I'm gonna reduce more risk on this. Basically, I will just move my stops to this high right there, this high right there, so that I don't want to see a price to move high to this level. If yes, it just stop me out. I don't care, bro. If the price move to this high, basically is have 90% of chance to move to the first stop that I placed for. So it's better to lose a small amount of, small amount of money. Just wait for that. Just wait for that. You know, just wait for that reactions. No bottom weight is good. No bottom weight is good. I do want to see a rejection to that level right there. If good to see a rejection on that level. Close below, I'll manage the risk. All right. Close below, I'll manage the risk. Just wait for that first. Accept the risk. All right. So freaking high risk entry basically. This. Oh my god. Wait for the blue right below. The price might not be taken the week low. I would say might not be taking the low. Just take this low. Might be just take this low and just run above. It can be do that. I face some I face most of the time the price just move like that. But I will take the risk to take this level right there. As long as I manage the risk. Let's see we got any break-even point. This one is the point that I reduce risk. It can be it can be just break even. See how the situation, how the price of the situation of the price. I'm gonna see the volatility of that. If just break below the price, if it just like move lower, I just gonna break even right there. If the price just close a bit below this, I'll just reduce the risk first because that the price have the chance to move up first and then move lower. So why I taken the EU rather than GU sell because of the S&P first of all, and the second one is the daily time frame basically. Yeah, daily time frame bearish. I saw EU is more bearish. So I trade the things that I saw. I'm not taking the trade that I think. The thing the thing that I think is not the action that I took, I'll say. I take a trade basically based on the data that I have. It's not the things that I think that will happen and I just take for that. No. Oh, just ranging on it right now. I don't like it basically when you're taking a trade and then the market just ranging on it. But we can't control that. We can't control that. Only I take the trade, then the market will give me what happened, right? So we can't control what the market given to us, whether after we taking a trade, whether it's ranging you know, or trending or something like that. Only the things that we can control is the risk that we can manage. Something wrong for this basically. The entry price is not the level that I want to entry for the execution. I don't know why this trading view got something problem. Trading view got something problem. I don't know why, what happened for that basically. Just gonna wait first. If it just hit 1,000 of that, I'll just close it off because I just raised 1%. I'm not gonna take too much to wait too much. I'm not gonna wait too much. Alright, let's get I'll leave the stream first. I'll get back later. Alright. All right, I'm back. I'm back. All right, all right. We're gonna wait for the break, and we're gonna manage the risk. Wait for a break. We're gonna manage the risk. Wait for a break. Manage the risk. Oh, 15 minute close already. I didn't see that just now. I didn't saw that. 15 minute close is closing a bearish. It's nice. It's a nice closing bearish, but the momentum of the candle, I would say, it's not attractive at all. Just I don't want to see that basically. Move my stops more lower bit, more lower bit, because I don't want to see that basically. So freaking choppy on it. Oh my freaking god. Still in the zone. We're still in the zone. We are waiting for break even basically. Waiting for break even, and yeah, that's all we need, bro. You basically just break even on this, I would say, if okay, right? I would say break even on this demand area. This one is my break even. If the price is moved to that level, I can break even, right? If not, then it's where less. I don't know what the hell is that. Just ranging on it, basically. Just freaking ranging on it after I enter the trade. I don't know what happened though. I don't know what happened though. All right. All right. We're gonna manage the risk again. Reduce the risk once again. Reduce the risk once again. Reduce the risk once again. Wait for a break even, and we're done for the day. All right. All right, we're gonna break even right now. Break even right now. Wait for the trade playoff and we're done with the day. All right. All right. Still left few pips more for that. Yeah, we still left few pips more for that. All right. We are done for that basically. We are done for that basically. Right now, right there, we are done for that. Right, we are done for that. So it's a TP trade right there. It's a win. And yeah, it's a good trade. And we are done for the day. You know, yeah, that's all for the day. Bye.